So pull these two tabs towards you, open it up. This tab here, it locks this in place if you push it much. See that? So push that back up to lock that in place like that. So what you do is you take a rub like this, and then you reach under there, release that tab, okay, feed this through these two tabs, just right past the roller pads here, just a little bit. Close it. That's it. When you download the drivers and you turn it on for the very first time to print it, it's gonna calibrate itself. It'll know. It's pretty cool. Alrighty, a printing label test.